Welcome to Moodle tutorials. So today we are going to see the latest Moodle release, that is Moodle 3.8. Last time we saw 3.7, but for some reason it was not completed. I was not able to complete all the videos on that. So Moodle has released the new version 3.8. So for that, what you have to do, that you have to log into learn.moodle.org, as you can see on the screen here. And if you don't have any account, you can connect via Gmail or make another account. And let me give you some information. Moodle releases these tutorials twice a year, but this time they have released it very early. So they release it in January and in the month of June, but due to some reason they have released in March as well. So let's go and check what we have this time over here. So first I'll log in and I'll give you an overview of this course, how it works. So since I have logged in, I have already created accounts and I'm doing a couple of courses already here. So I'm already in this, so I'll give an overview of the course. So on the left hand side you will see the menu item. So currently we are on my dashboard, and currently there are two courses running here. That is Learn Moodle Basics and Moodle Admin Basics. So Moodle Admin Basics you won't be able to see, because you will get Moodle Admin Basics only once you complete this course, Learn Moodle Basics. Okay, so here we go and we check. So first I would like to tell you everyone that you have to enroll in this course as soon as possible, because this has already started, and this is a weekly based course as well as a self-paced course, which means you can choose two options. Either you can reveal the course weekly basis, or entire course and complete it by your own pace. First, I would like to suggest that you should go week by week, since if you are new to Moodle, but if you are expert, you can directly go with your self pace and you can select options accordingly. So I have uploaded all the videos related to this course. You can check if you want, and you can also check other videos, and you can contact me via comments. So I would like to know what are your comments, and I'll help you accordingly. So let me know if you need any help. Thank you very much. Have a safe modeling.